Hey guys! Today I want to show you how to create a new document in Photoshop. If you've never used Photoshop before and this is your first time launching it, you'll see something like this. If you do, you can simply hit this Start New button here. But let's say you're just using someone else's software and they've already worked on a few projects. If that's the case, then this button might not be here. So another way to do it would be to click on this new button here instead. Doing that will open the new document dialog box where you can choose things like photo, print, art, web, depending on what you're trying to create. Let's go here to print. Now, there are some presets already available to you, like letter, legal, tabloid, but let's try this A4. The settings are on the right here, and this is where you can name your document, change the width, the height. You can change the measurement units using the drop down. You can switch to landscape mode. And when you're happy with these settings, you can come down and hit create. And there you go, a new document. Now, what if you already have a document open, like this one, and you want to create a new one? What you can do is go to File, New, and that'll open the new document dialog box again. But let's close this for a moment. Another way to create a new document, and the easiest way, is to use the keyboard shortcuts Control-N. And same thing, that'll bring up the new document dialog box. Well, there you have it. Happy editing!